We know you want to work with the best partners to provide quality enrichment experiences. That's where we come in. Little Yogis Academy is a mobile yoga and mindfulness program that comes to your school or childcare. We provide yoga instruction, mental health, and wellness workshops for everyone within the school and childcare community, including students and school staff. We take learning seriously. Our curriculum was developed by certified teachers and yoga professionals. We are evidence-based and meet AAP milestones and early education standards. Our curriculum is fun and is tailored to each age group. Through stretches, fun games, and positive reinforcement, children will begin to experience the joy of practicing yoga and learning tools that can benefit them throughout their entire lives, like managing anxiety, emotional regulation, boosting confidence, enhancing concentration, and developing children's strength and flexibility. Worried about space? Don't sweat it. We can teach within a small classroom, outdoors, or in a large gym, and we provide all the equipment. Have an after-school or lunch program? We make it easy. We work with your schedule and handle all the online enrollment and weekly communication with families. Our program is often a child's first experience with yoga, and we are committed to making it a positive one. Invite us to your school or childcare today.